Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 3094th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. It's Sunday afternoon. Markets aren't going to open for a while, but I wanted to get this quick video out because I'm in the middle of an Omni camp, and right now it's Omni camp lunch, so I snuck away so I could do a quick video. So, here's the video. This is to tell you that video number 3094 for Sunday through Monday, 6/29/26, the Omni has turned red. The Omni is a seller of rallies. The Omni wants us to get short this market, and that is what we will do. Even the S&P, NASDAQ, and or Russell. If it comes down, we'll be quick to take profits, but the Omni has flipped to bearish. Now, I don't know if there's anything to do with what's going on in the world, but I noticed that the Straits of Hormuz monitor was closed all day today, and there was some fighting going on over there. Maybe or maybe not, that's got something to do with this, but the Omni Arrow was already red on Friday afternoon at 5 p.m. It didn't know about the stuff over the weekend, and it was already red Friday. So still red for trading Sunday night, of course, because it turned red Friday afternoon. And we're looking for some downside. But remember, Jack Dempsey style, hit and run. Get out, take your profits if you get them, and sidestep. Because we are actually in a bull market, having a pullback. So you're always safer if you're short to get out quickly and go the other way. Don't reverse, get out quickly and sidestep. Anyway, just wanted to show you that one quick video because this is OmniCamp. I give them my undivided attention. Please remember how risky trading is. Risky, risky, risky. Never trade without stops. Omni's been killing it lately, but you still have to have stops in. Traders, please join me at livewithoscar.com. Please leave your comments below. Go out and buy the OMNIPHOENIX. It's doing really well. We got new buyers coming in every day. Go get your OMNIPHOENIX coin. Go get it now. We're taking this thing to 10 and then 15 million. You should take the ride with us. OMNIPHOENIX. Go buy that coin. The Omni says sell the rallies in even the S&P, NASDAQ, Russ. And for me personally, I have bailed out of Bitcoin last week. Out. First time in 12 years, I'm out of Bitcoin. I don't like the way it's acting. I'm going to sidestep for a while. I've bailed out of Bitcoin. I love my own currency. I like other cryptos. Bitcoin lately is doing things on the chart I don't like. So I've sidestepped Bitcoin. I am in cash. We'll see what happens after Bitcoin flutters down a little bit. Anyway, just wanted to let you know about that. Remember, kids, stop soar in. Emotions are rock and roll. Traders, please leave your comments, like and share these videos, and make sure you subscribe. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.